How to set up a shop on Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually set up a shop on Shopify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually set up a shop on Shopify, just go to shopify.com, and then all you need to do is on the top right hand side you can see start free trial or login. If you already do have an account, just log into your Shopify account though. If not, then you can just come back, select the option called start free trial. When you select start free trial, so it says what best describes you. So you're already selling online or in person, or you're just starting. Whatever option is convenient, just select them and just click on next. And then where would you like to sell, an online store or whatever else? So you can just say online store or online marketplace, and then just click on next option. And then what do you plan to sell? Of course you can sell digital products or whatever else, drop shipping products, and then just click on next option. Then after that it will ask you to simply enter your store name, so just go ahead and then actually make sure to enter your store name over here. Once you've done that, just click on the next option, and then where your store will be located, enter that and then click on next. And then once you've done that, you can simply create a Shopify ID by logging in with either of these. So I'll just select with my Google account in this case. Then once I've selected my Google account, it will automatically sign in and then head back to Shopify, and then you can see it will successfully build my store automatically for me. And this is how you can set up a shop on Shopify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.